Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix blurry profile picture on WhatsApp. So first is you have to open your WhatsApp application on your device. So basically, you need to enable the automatically save photos to your device. So a photo may be blurry if WhatsApp can no longer find the photo on your phone or SD card. So this is usually the case when the photo has been deleted. So to prevent this one, you just have to enable the automatically save photos to your device. So to do this, we just have to go back here, and then at the top right hand corner of your screen, you'd be able to see the three dots. Now you just have to click on it and then click on settings. Okay, this one. Then once you're done, you'd be able to see this option and then click on chats. And right here, you just have to toggle the switch on for the media visibility to show newly downloaded media in your device's gallery. And after doing this, it will now solve your problem. But of course, you have to consider that in order for the WhatsApp to function well, is you have to get the updated version. So to check for the updated version of the application, just go to your Play Store and using the search bar at the top, you just have to type out WhatsApp. And right here, if you'll see an option where it says update, you will then just have to click on the update button, and then you'd be able to get the updated version of the WhatsApp, and the blurry profile picture issue on WhatsApp will now be resolved. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.